Example problem, 12x to the negative 2 power y to the 4th over 20 x to the 2nd y to the negative 3rd. Everything in this case will be to the 2nd power. Step 1 is to reduce 12 over 20. 4 goes into 12 3 times and into 20 5 times. We will start with 3 over 5. Now you have the x's. You have an x to the negative 2 on the top. It must go to the bottom. You already have an x to the 2nd power on the bottom. Now you're taking this with it. So you have 2x squares on the bottom. And now we go to the y's. Y to the 4th on top stays. But y to the negative 3rd on the bottom must go to the top and become a positive exponent. Now, all of this is still to the 2nd power. Simplify. The 3 over 5 is still good, but you have y to the 4th, y to the 3rd on the top. That is y to the 7th. And on the bottom, x to the 4th. And now square everything to get 9y to the 14th over 25x to the 8th. This is a practice problem. 4x to the 2nd, y to the 3rd over 8, x to the negative 3rd, y to the negative 5th, everything to the 3rd power. The solution for the practice problem. Start with 4 over 8. That reduces to 1 over 2. We don't write the 1. X to the 2nd stays on the top, but x to the negative 3rd goes with it, becomes a positive exponent. You have y to the 3rd on top as well, and the y to the negative 5th goes up top, becomes positive. Simplify the top to x to the 5th, y to the 8th. And don't forget all of this was cubed. On the bottom you have a 2. We cube everything to come up with x to the 15th, y to the 24th, over 8. Another practice problem. 12x to the negative 2nd, y to the negative 6th, over 18x to the negative 4th, y to the negative 3rd. Everything will be to the 2nd power. Solution for the practice problem is to start with 12 over 18, which reduces to 2 over 3. And then trade places here with these x's and make the exponents positive. And the same thing for the y's. Don't forget everything is squared. Go back and simplify. X to the 4th over x to the 2nd is x to the 2nd on top. And for the y's, you will have a y to the 3rd on the bottom. Square everything to get 4x to the 4th over 9y to the 6th.